Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily switch to a professional account in the Instagram app. Friends, please put your likes under this video, also write your comments after watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get down to the topic. So friends, if you would like to switch to a professional or business account that will allow you to expand some of the possibilities in using Instagram, open up some more of your professional settings. Then I'm going to show you how you can do that quickly and easily. So, first things first. Please open the Instagram app on your device, and then go to your page at the bottom. Next, on the top right, click on the three bars. So, you will open the settings and privacy in Instagram. And you'll need to scroll down here. And you'll need to find this option here. Click on it. And here you'll be able to see the very first option is Switch to Professional Account. If you want to use some other page as your professional account, then you'll need to select the next option, which is Add a Professional Account. Here you will need to click here. Now continue. Now you will select the area that your account will specialize in. After that, click on Continue below. Now you'll need to keep the phone number or email that your page is linked to, another one of your pages, and then continue. So everything is as Instagram will tell you. This way, friends, you will be able to add another account for yourself, but it will already be a professional account. And if you want to switch the account that you're on now to professional mode, then click Switch. Next, select the area in which your account will be professional. As you can see, there are many areas. For example, vlogger, artist, musician, photographer, videographer, and so on. You choose the area that is closest to you. And then at the bottom, click on Switch to Professional Account. Now you will need to further select the category. So you're going to have Creator or Business Account. Business account I recommend you choose if you're going to be selling something on Instagram, let's say, or running a business on Instagram, and then cooperating with advertising and so on. If you don't, then just put in Creator and at the bottom click Next. Now you can either fill in all the additional items that you're shown right away, or you can fill them in later. But as you can see, right away your account will be switched to professional. You can see that by this gray box that you'll see under your profile header. And you'll also have the type of activity you chose earlier written down. Friends, this is the quick and easy way to switch to a professional Instagram account. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon, friends.